the chapter number 11 of 12th science, that is enhancement of food production. We know food is the basic need as it gives us energy for everything, keep us alive, strong and healthy. Food is organic, energy rich and non-poisonous, edible and nourishing substance. The green plants synthesize their own food by photosynthesis, but animals, including humans, depend upon the plant directly. There is a rapid and drastic increase in the world population over the time. To meet the increasing demand for food, there is a need for improvement of food production, both quantity and quality wise, means nutritive. Plant and animals breeding help us to increase the food production. Let's see the plant breeding. It is the improvement or powerful manipulation in the heredity of crops and the production of new superior varieties of existing crop plants. Plant breeding carried out by means of selection, introduction, hybridization, ploid imitation, tissue culture, SCP means single cell protein, and rDNA technology, also molecular breeding. We know Dr. Norman Borlaug, the well-known American biologist who has been called as the father of the Green Revolution, also called as agriculture's greatest spokesperson and the man who saved billions of lives. He was honored by Nobel Prize in 1970 for his work in the Green Revolution. Another popular scientist work in plant breeding in India are Dr. M.S. Swaminathan and Venkatraman. Dr. Swaminathan, also called as father of Green Revolution in India, he is pioneer in mutation breeding. He develops new varieties of wheat like Sonora, NP165 and Sarbati. Let's see the aims of plant breeding. The prime aim of plant breeding is to improve the characteristics of plant breeding or plants, that they become more useful automatically and economically. Some of the characteristics are as follows. First one, higher yield, better quality, disease and pest resistance, agronomic characters, moisture, stress and salt tolerant, wide adaptability. Types of plant breeding. Here, interspecific means cross between two plants of different species. Intraspecific means cross between two plants of same species. Likewise, intergeneric, intrageneric, intervarietal, intravarietal or wide or distance crosses can be possible. Here, example of plant that is achieved through the plant breeding is pomato, that is crossing of potato and tomato. The process of hybridization consists steps like selection of parents, evaluation of parents, selfing of parents, emasculation, bagging, tagging, pollination and harvesting. First one, the selection of parents. The germplasm means collection of crops having all deserved alleles, means variated alleles. The germplasm can be conserved by two methods: in situ, like forest, natural reserves; ex situ means botanical gardens, seed banks, etc. The plant having desirable characteristics should be selected. The plant selected should be healthy, vigorous, pure or homozygous. For crossbreeding, pollination emasculation process should be done. Emasculation means the removal of anther from flower. It is performed for the one parent plant. After emasculation, bagging should be done to avoid cross-pollination. Also, collection of pollen from another parents, avoid cross-pollination for pollinated crops. And the tagging means all informations like time, date, parent plant's information should be written on a tag. Next, pollination means transfer of pollen from male anther or male flower to the female flower or female stigma. It should be done carefully and aseptically. Here one example of hybridization of crop is crossing of tall pea parents with the dwarf pea plant. Next step in selection and testing of superior recombinants, or it is also called as hybrid plants. After 6 to 7 trials, the new variety should be released and commercialized. Some examples of Indian hybrid crops are as follows: wheat, Sonalika and Kalyan Sona; in rice, Jaya, Ratna and Padma; in sugarcane, CO means Coimbatore 419, 421, 453; in millets like maize, Gangatri, Jowar CO12, Bajra, Nifad. Some disease resistance variety also developed by the plant breeding are as follows: the crops like wheat of variety Himgiri, which are resistant to the leaf and strip rust and heel blunt disease. Likewise, Brassica variety Pusa swarnim, which is resistant to white rust. Also, the cauliflower of variety Pusa shubra, black, resisted to the black rot and curd blight black rot. And the chili Pusa sadabahar varieties, which have resistance to chili mosaic virus, tobacco mosaic virus and leaf curl. So we seen the plant breeding and the all plant breeding practices in this video. In next video we see the mutational breeding. So thank you.